Welcome back to English Stories Box, the channel where touching stories not only improve your English, but also touch your heart. Today's story is about love, betrayal, and finding strength after heartbreak. It's the story of Lily, a young woman who believed in forever, only to be left behind. This story is perfect for beginners who want to practice listening and expand their vocabulary. Let's dive into Lily's emotional journey. Lily was a cheerful young woman working as a florist in a small town. She loved her job, surrounded by beautiful flowers every day. One day, while delivering flowers to a wedding, she met Ethan, a charming and kind man who worked as a photographer. "Ethan, your flowers make my photos look even more beautiful." Lily blushed. "Lily, thank you. I'm just happy they bring people joy." Their connection was instant, and soon, they were spending every free moment together. Ethan often spoke about their future together. "Ethan, Lily, I've never met anyone like you. I promise to love you forever." Lily's heart soared every time he said those words. She believed in his promises and dreamed of building a life with him. One evening, while walking under the stars, Ethan held her hand tightly. "Ethan, someday, we'll have a home filled with love and laughter. I'll never leave your side." Lily smiled, feeling like the luckiest woman in the world. As months passed, Lily noticed small changes in Ethan. He became distant, often distracted by his phone or making excuses to avoid spending time together. One day, while cleaning his apartment, Lily found a ticket for a flight to another city. "Lily, Ethan, why didn't you tell me about this trip? Are you going somewhere?" Ethan hesitated before answering. "Ethan, it's just for work. I didn't want to worry you." But Lily couldn't shake the feeling that something wasn't right. One morning, Lily woke up to find Ethan's side of the bed empty. On the kitchen table, there was a note. "Note. Lily, I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. You deserve someone better than me. I hope you find happiness." Lily's hands trembled as she read the words. "Lily, he promised forever, but he left me." Her heart shattered into a million pieces. For weeks, Lily struggled to understand why Ethan had left. She replayed their memories in her mind, searching for clues. Her best friend, Emma, stayed by her side, offering comfort and support. "Emma, Lily, I know it hurts now, but you're stronger than you think. You'll get through this." "Lily, but how do I move on when I thought he was my forever?" Emma hugged her tightly. "Emma, one step at a time, my friend. Start by loving yourself again." Lily decided to focus on herself. She poured her energy into her flower shop, creating beautiful arrangements that brought smiles to her customers' faces. One day, a little girl walked into the shop with her mother. "Little girl, wow, these flowers are so pretty." Lily knelt down and handed the girl a small bouquet. "Lily, here, these are for you. Always remember to smile." The girl's joy reminded Lily of the happiness she once felt, and she realized she could create that happiness for herself. Months later, Lily was invited to a community event to showcase her flowers. While setting up her booth, she met Ryan, a kind-hearted man who owned a nearby cafe. "Ryan, your flowers would look amazing in my cafe. Maybe we can work together." Lily smiled, feeling a spark she hadn't felt in a long time. "Lily, I'd love that." As they talked, Lily realized that her heart was healing, and she was open to new possibilities. One evening, Lily wrote a letter to Ethan, not to send, but to let go of her pain. "Lily, Ethan, thank you for the memories and the lessons. I've learned to love myself and find happiness again. I wish you the best." She folded the letter and placed it in a box of keepsakes, feeling a sense of closure. And that's the story of Lily, a woman who faced heartbreak but found strength and happiness within herself. At English Stories Box, we believe that every ending is a new beginning. What did you learn from Lily's journey? For me, it's that self-love is the most powerful kind of love. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories Box. Don't forget to comment below about a time you found strength after a challenge. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next story.